Ma'am, would you have any information if there are members of the House who are stranded in Israel? Initially po kasi yesterday, there were reports that two Kongs were trapped, but Sec Gen Velasco identified two Kongs who requested for their travel clearance but canceled because of the tension in the area. So, meron po bang bumiyahe papunta doon or dumaan doon?
Sa pagkakaalala ko, hindi mga miyembro ng Kamara ang mahilig mag-abroad. Pero ganun pa man, sa pagkakaalam ko, walang members ng 19th Congress ang nasa Israel ngayon. Following the statement of Secretary General, I think may mga nagplano pero hindi natuloy. Pero again, from what I was informed, walang members ng 19th Congress ang nasa Israel at this time.
Thank you po.